Good morning, traders. Jonathan with Forex Flow Trading with our recent example of a few trades we had hit. Looking at the euro dollar here, it's about 12:30 Eastern time, a few hours late than when the levels go out, but just getting to the video. We're looking at 131.23 up to 131.42 on a sell on the euro dollar. Our cap is 131.73, and so we'll wait to see if those things trigger. And that's on the sell side with the cap. No buy levels right now I'm going to look at. On the British pound or the cable, we are looking at a sell zone of 159.23 to 159.41, and I've got a cap up there at 159.79. We expect the sell flow zone to hit first on these pairs, so we're closer to those. I'm not going to put much emphasis on the buys right now. You receive the buys on a daily, so if it does kind of turn, head to the buys, but I anticipate the sells hitting on this first. So but I do have the buys that I'll put in at 157.41 area down to a 157.23-ish. And then I've got a cap down at 156.91. And so we'll wait for the market. I do think the sales will hit first, and so we'll go from there. Here on the Australian dollar, same scenario, expecting the sales to hit, but I've got a 103.31 is the first sell flow zone up to 103 kind of 53 area, so about a 20 pip zone. Anything in that zone is good for a sell for me, and the cap is going to be about 103.82, right around there. So we'll let the market move and see if we can get filled on these sells. Okay, guys, we're looking at following morning, so we're going to see how our levels did. Here's the euro, tagged our sell levels, so pretty spot on. The first one it tagged, it came off over 20 pips, but then it came to our second sell, so still in the zone. It came off a good 70-80 pips. So our target intraday is 40 to 70 pips. If we hold the rest of the trade, we're looking for 100 to 150 pips, unless I have a specific target that I post. Those are our target zones, our first and our second target. So that trade was good. Here's British pound with the cable. Tagged our first sell zone and kind of straightway came off. And so carried that through to a 100 pip target on that one, just because it just continued to come down. I'll be redrawing the sells and buys shortly, but this morning we're locked in and profited on everything. I mean, I've cleared all the trades pretty much. I might keep a portion on the odd that we'll look at next, but we had these three pairs trigger, and the euro we cleared at 45 pips. The British pound took 100 pips on, and the odd here I'm still in currently. This is the one that I'm going to hold. I've taken off a good bit. The 103.31 got tagged and came off for a good 40 pips around there. Then got the move back up to the second, where we got filled again, and that moved pretty substantial down to 102.73 so far. So about 80 pips off of there. I'm going to hold this thing. I'm thinking it might get a little lower. I'm going to partial out most. I'm break even, so it's a risk-free trade, and we'll go from there. So it's the latest update, example of flow trading, simple profits. That's how we like to see it. Clean entries and clean exits, and just kind of stress-free trading. We'll catch you next time, guys. Good luck.